Hey guys, Greg Silverman here, CIOs and bow ties, and I wanted to bring you in a little bit and show you a little bit of the private client group, as it were. We are essentially a master class, and in this master class, you're going to get access to experts. So my philosophy around investing, which has served me quite well, is really not to go down the fairway, if you will. So if you're looking for private equity type investments or private market investments that are just straight down the fairway, there's probably better places for you to go. The way we view the world is we look for real niche-based investments, early investments, drinking upstream from the herd, if you will. And then we look to get involved and curate the best investment choices out there to get involved in those. So throughout my career, this has served me very well. Thematics such as Internet 1.0, Internet 2.0, cannabis, uranium, gold and silver, distressed debt, which is a cycle that may or may not be coming upon us now. We've done some countries, South Africa, China was a good thematic for us as well. So I'd like you to come into the private client group, check out how we work over here. Essentially every month we feature we have kind of a series, if you will, on a thematic of the month. Again, we bring in experts that you won't be able to access otherwise. We bring in fund managers that will speak to us about the thematic, the segments, if you will, the verticals, where you should be looking to deploy your money. Obviously, we'll be bringing in curated investment choices that we ourselves will partake in or are in due diligence in some form or another. Again, access to experts. We'll be talking about valuations. We'll talk about structuring, how deals get structured. There'll be an opportunity for you to do Q&A with some experts, investors that you would not have access to normally. You'd have Q&A. And look, if you want to make this as part of an asset management endeavor and you'd like to learn how to raise money in some of these niches, there'll be some good tips and advices to do so as well. So macro top-down insight into niche areas that I don't suspect you'll be finding down the fairway, so to speak. So again, some really unique niche investments that we're drinking upstream from the herd. We're trying to get in early. We're trying to find the best curated investment vehicles to get involved in it, whether it's a private market investment or whether it's even a public market or a pre-IPO. That's something that we've done in the past as well. So we'll talk about, various strategies that you won't come across or not accessible to general mainstream. So global macro investing when the time is right, investing in pipes, private investment in public entities. So that's a great way to get warrants and to cycle your capital in warrants. And obviously we'll have managers that will implement those choices for us. So again, it's a master class for you to learn how to invest in these phenomenal strategies. And look, I've made my career quite substantially around behavioral finance. So they say a lot about investing is timing. I certainly believe that. And so you want to get on the right side of the fear and greed cycle. And so a lot of that has to do with behavioral finance, mass psychology. And so we have a healthy dose of sprinkling of those in there. So again, I would like you to come in and take a look at our private client group. It's basically an insight into our research department, my research department. You can see how the sausage is made, is the old saying. And I'd love you to come in. I'd love you to join. I'd love you to partake. It's a very cost-efficient way for you to get into private market investing. And there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So it's fairly low risk as far as that's concerned. And so I really would like to welcome you into the private client group. Think about joining. Take a look. You'll be learning about things that you won't come across in the mainstream. And I certainly hope that you'll join us and make money aside with us. And we're just going to have a good time, and you'll be learning a lot along the way, which is what it's all about. So thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. And we hope to see you in our private client group real soon. Greg Silverman. Peace.